welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the fourth Halloween look that I have created. It's this kind of cyborg robot kind of futuristic character. Anyway, we're just applying some foundation here. This is just the lightest foundation that I own in my collection, and we're just going over it with some powder by Peaches. Now I'm just going in with some black Snazaroo face paint, and I'm just drawing out the structure that I want for this cyborg robot. I only wanted it to be like a kind of half face. I definitely wanted to put a lot more detail and stuff into this and make it look quite futuristic, metallic-y. Got this idea because I was actually looking back at my older videos and I seen that I actually done a robot kind of style like years ago, and I was kind of laughing at it. So I wanted to kind of improve it and try and make it even better. If it's a little echoey, by the way, I am in a cupboard. I'm trying to do a voiceover away from the kids. This is me just drawing out all the kind of areas where I'm going to do like some wiring. I'm going to do some like metal parts on the face and stuff. So this is just me drawing out all the little details. I'm bringing this down the neck a little bit as well, and I do have a t-shirt on, by the way. I'm just going to have some shading here just so I know what areas I'm keeping for the metal-like parts and what parts I'm keeping for the wires and the inside of the robot. So now I'm just going in with the metallic liquid glitter liners by Be Perfect. I will link everything that I've used in the description and all the colours and stuff. But I'm just going in with the blue and the green, then a little bit of yellow from the Louise liners. And I'm just doing some little detailing around the eyes. I wanted this to look like the wires and like the inside of the robot. Then down the neck as well, I wanted it to look like the wires were quite exposed. So this was the kind of look I was going for here. Going round everything with a black liner so that it stands out a little bit more. The process behind this was I wanted this top bit around the eye to look like the wiring and stuff inside the robot, and the rest of it was also like the robot structure on the face. Just going in with the liners again down the neck, making it look like the wires are exposed and open here. Then just going in with an iridescent kind of purple shadow, and I'm just going over all that black to make it look quite metallic and quite robot-like. On the other eye, I'm just keeping it pretty simple. I'm just doing like a smoked out eye, and I'm just doing this with a dark blue eyeshadow, and I do a little kind of sparkly inner corner here. Then I'm just doing a black lip, and I'm just using one of the liners again in green, and I do a little stripe down the lip. Anyway, I'm going to stop yapping. I hope you guys love it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.